Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install the Fail2ban package with the following command. Once installation is complete, run the following command to open the port for SSH. Next, run the following command to check the UFW status. Lastly, run the systemctl command below to start, enable and verify Fail2ban server's installation. To start, copy the default Fail2ban configuration to the following location with the next command. Open the file with the NANO editor. Add your local network to the Ignore IP options. Any subnet with this option will be not blocked by Fail2ban. Adjust the default configuration for ban time. The time of IP address will be banned. Find time, the duration between the numbers of fails before the ban action, and max retry, the numbers of failures for IP addresses to get banned. In this example, you'll set the ban time to 1 hour, the find time to 10 minutes, and with the max retry to 5 times. Optionally, change the default actions to ban IP addresses and send notification to the administrator via email. Change the default ban action to UFW with this IP address will be banned by Fail2ban. Now change the default jail for SSH with the configuration below. Lastly, run the systemctl command below to restart the Fail2ban services and apply your changes. To ensure that Fail2ban is running, run the next command. If Fail2ban is running, you'll see an output PONG. Now check the status of SSH with the following command. This will show you the list of detected and banned IP addresses. You will see something similar to this. To ban IP address manually via Fail2ban, run the next command. Now run the following command to unban the IP address from Fail2ban. Lastly, you can check the SSH status using the next command. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.